my name is Deanna. Thanks for taking the time to watch our link. Promise you it will just be a couple of minutes. Whether you're looking for extra money to send your kids to college debt-free, maybe finding some extra money to fund retirement, or hearing about some ways to have some extra cash to do some fun things with your family, consider what we've got for your options. Would it be okay if I didn't go into all the science, numbers, and facts of our business, but just cover 3 basic questions you want answered? Great. Those 3 probably are, can I make money? What do I have to do? And can I do it? First, can you make money? The government pays us to have a home-based business. This means 0 risk for all involved. This article by Trump and Kiyosaki mentions a few ways the government pays us. We get more money from the government. Even Buffett says that this has been the best business investment he's ever made. You can get one of these articles from the person who invited you, either a paper copy or emailed to you. When we have a home-based business, we qualify for over 150 tax deductions. This means we get more back from the government and we pay less to them. About $300 to $500 a month on average. And it's congressionally mandated. Isn't it cool that the government wants us to have a home-based business? It only costs about $100 to $200 a month to operate our business, so we're already in the profit zone and nobody loses. Second question, what do you have to do? Most people do this business every day, network marketing. They just don't get paid for it. Have you ever recommended a mechanic? Sent somebody to have their great service? Have they ever come back and told you what great service they have and how much money they've saved? How's it made you feel? Probably pretty good, right? We love sharing with others about things or services that might help us and might help others or that people might like. Now, we also make a few phone calls together and hand out a coupon or two to people we meet together. What did the person who invited you watch this do? Probably listened to what you wanted more of and invited you to listen? Is that something you think you can do? And last, can you do it? We've been doing this since we're 6 years old. If you've got kids, you probably recognize them coming home and telling you about Johnny's tennis shoes, backpack, jeans, whatever craze is to purchase. Listening and inviting people to listen to this sounds pretty easy, right? If we can work together hands-on until you are confident, competent, and capable, would you be on board? There are 2 types of people who watch this link. Those who call the person back who invited them and then start their path to money and freedom, and those who don't. If you're in the first group, call your friend back who invited you. Thank them and tell them one of these 3 things. 1, you'd like to join now. It's so easy to get started online and you can start making money immediately. 2nd, come to our next sample party and see how we work. And 3rd, get a couple questions answered and then get started. And most of all, welcome to our Dynamite team. We are looking forward to helping get your dream started.